Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, January the 8th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Why? Well, it's too much for me if I've solved them all. Yeah. Alright. And this afternoon I've already solved 3 puzzles. It's getting more. This one, the 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 7760. 7760. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has a lot, 28. But it's indicated with 3 stars. Yeah. Usually 28 should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this puzzle a 0 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We will see. Alright, so let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 8. Shoot there. The 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit 1, number 8. The 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 place left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And we have a pair, the 2 and the 5 in this row, the 2 and the 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 place left, the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. And it's a pair, 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. 1 here. Okay. 1 there. The 6 in this column, the 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place level 6. Should be there, 6, 6. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 place left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 9 should be there. 3, 4, 7. Alright. Alright. Need a 3, need a 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Okay. Need a 6 here. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, and the last column, the only 2 places left to choose should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Well. Ay. Need a 6 there, need a 6 there. I want a 7 here. Come on. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row, middle row. One of the missing number in this row is number 9. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 9 because we have 9 in this big square. So 1 box left for the 9 in the middle row should be there. 9. Need a 6 here. 6 there. Need a 6. In this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. Well, here can be 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. There can be a 6 because we have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. So the 6 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 6 in this row. No 6 there. The only place level 6 should be there. Right. 7. 3 and a 1. 1. Well, in this row, we have now 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. Cannot fill this yet. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because in this column we need a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5 because we have 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this column should be there. So this box should be automatically a 3. I need a 5 here. Okay. 3, need a 3 here. And I need... 7 here. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 3 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. So the row will be 3. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Alright. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? 1 is missing, 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 2 goes there. Need a 5 here. That means in this column we need a 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in the second column is number 5. Here can be 5 because we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. There can be 5 because we have 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 in the second column could be here, could be there. Here or there. Well, we see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. The only place left with 5 should be there. Alright. The 1 and the 7 is missing here. Okay. Well. Need a 6 there. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in this first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Need a 5 there. 3, 3, need a 3 here. 3 and the 7 is missing here. 3 and the 7, okay. And 3 there. 3 here. 3 there. 3 here. 1 and the 7, okay. 7. Need a 1. Need a 9. 9, 9. Well, 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9. 4 can be here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing number in this second column is number 4. Here can be 4. We have 4 in the first row. No 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. So the only place left with 4 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 9. Okay, here. 1 and the 9. Let me mark those. It's a pair. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Okay. Well. So the other 2 should be the 1 and the 9. Okay. 1, 9, and the 7. Well. Need a 3 here. 1 and the 7. 7 here also. 7 and the 3. Come on. This is taking too long. Well. Yeah. Come on. Where's the opening? Which number can I pick? 2, 2, 2, 2. You need a 2. 6, 6. Here, 6. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. We have a 4 there. This should be the 4. No 4 here. No 4 here. That means those 2 boxes need a 4. 6, 3. No, 3, 3. Need a 3 there. We have a 3 here. 3, 3. Need a 3 there. I'm stuck. Where's the opening? The opening. 3, 4, 7, and a 9. 7 and 9. Well, we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left with 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes in there. So 2 numbers left now in the first row. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column. Only place left with 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have 1 now in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the first column, only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes in there. Can I count the 6s? And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Okay. So 2 numbers left now in the third column for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. And all the 2s are used. I can see. These are number 3, number 2. How about the 5s? Nope, the 5s. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 to 5, 4 to 5. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row, third row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. Not faster than 14 or 30 minutes. Not a 0 stars, but also not a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. Because not faster than 20 minutes. Otherwise it will be not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise it will be a 1 star. Alright. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.